You can make more money and drive more traffic to your offers without ever joining a crowded marketplace like Etsy, eBay, or Amazon. No profit splitting, no competing listings right next to yours, and no platform deciding who gets seen. You stay in control, you own the platform, and you own the audience. If you want to learn how to do this the right way, then you're in the right place. But before we jump in, quick favor, if you wouldn't mind, if this content helps you, please subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you anything, and it really helps get this information in front of people just like yourself who are trying to build something online, all right? So with that, let's jump right into it. Every platform on the internet works exactly the same way. Somebody types in what they're looking for, and the platform sorts the options and shows them what they think is most relevant. Amazon does this, Etsy does it as well, and so does eBay. But here's the question most people never ask. How did we end up on this platform in the first place? And it's a very simple answer. We already trust Amazon, so when we want options, comparison, and price, that's where we go. And every product we buy exists for one reason, to solve a problem. And I know that most people don't think about it that way, but that's exactly what's happening. Now here's where things change. What happens when the problem is not physical? When you don't just need an item, you need guidance, clarity, or a process. Most people go to Google. And if you're anything like me, you do not want to read a massive article. You want to see it or hear somebody explain about it. That's why people go to YouTube, and this matters. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, right behind Google, which means for a lot of problems, people land on Google or YouTube before they ever reach Amazon or Etsy. And that is the big opportunity. If you know how to solve a specific problem for a specific person at the moment that it actually matters, and you show up on YouTube with clear content, most people don't just watch, they listen, and they trust you because you showed up when they needed help. That only works if your message is clear and if it's direct and if you tell them exactly what they need to do next. Let me pause here for a second, because this is where a lot of creators get stuck. They know that they have the experience, they've helped people, they've done the thing, but the moment they try to turn that into content, everything freezes. What do I say? Is this good? Am I explaining this the right way? So they overthink, they wait, or they never start. Meanwhile, people with less experience are showing up consistently and taking the attention that should be theirs. Not because they're better, but because they build systems that help them show up anyway. This is where I want to be very clear. Yes, AI can help you. And no, AI is not the creator. AI is not the voice, and AI is not the authority. AI is just the co-pilot. It helps you organize your ideas. It helps speed things up, and it removes the friction. But the actual experiment, the judgment, all the stories, that has to come from you. People don't follow information, they follow people. They picked you. They picked you because you've lived it. You worked through it. If you hand your voice over to AI completely, the message gets extremely generic, and people feel that immediately. The creators who win only use AI to support them, not to replace them. Systems plus experience, and that is the balance. Now, zooming back out, this whole business comes down to traffic. Just like typing a product into Amazon, people type their problems into YouTube. Your job is to have content that shows up when they search. Every video should point to one clear next step. That is half of the business. The other half is your backend. The path from I don't know who you are to I'm ready to buy from you. People move through awareness stages. First, they realize they have a problem. Second, they start looking for a solution. And third, they decide who they trust. Your job is to guide them through that. That's where structure really matters. My platform of choice is called System.io because everything you need is in one place. Every profitable creator follows the same setup. Traffic goes to a funnel, which is just a simple page with one action. that page offers something valuable, an opt-in, in exchange for an email address. That email address triggers follow-up emails that build trust and bring people back to your offer. So there's no guessing or chaos. Once it's built right, you own the platform, you own the audience, and you keep all the profit. If you want to learn how to build this for yourself, click the first link in the description. You're going to get a valuable free resource and learn more about the Profitable Creators Club. Now, selling your knowledge online follows a process. There's no guessing, and absolutely anyone can do this. I really thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. It helps more than you think. And I'll see you again on my next video. Take care.